Every day at rush hour, traffic congestion poses a security and efficiency puzzle for entrance and exit security. But at HikVision, we see these challenges as new opportunities for innovation. Introducing HikVision's Entrance and Exit Management Kit. Yes, this is a kit with everything you need, including a capture unit, anti-fall radar, and barrier gate. Maximize your entry efficiency and security like never before with ease and simplicity. When a vehicle approaches at around 3 meters, the capture unit automatically reads and records its license plate and distinguishes characteristics. The operator can verify the permission for rapid entry via platform. Next, HikVision's barrier gate lifts quickly to ensure efficient and secure entry and exit. The final piece to this great kit, the anti-fall radar, especially suits in heavy traffic areas during rush hour or in mixed entry and exit situations to detect vehicles and pedestrians. In addition to being fall-proof, it also prevents pedestrians from walking the traffic lane, reducing the chance of unnecessary accidents. An entry and exit system with secure and automated management, efficient pass-through, and guaranteed protections can be implemented with this kit efficiently and easily. To learn more and to contact a HikVision representative, please visit our website at hikvision.com.